A 2022 study on pharmacological properties of ginger combination shows that drug combination therapy is also a worthwhile strategy for the prevention of various diseases and conditions. Imagine this: a single root, twisted and unassuming, yet powerful enough to transform your health and your meals. Ginger. It's not just a spice, it's a global phenomenon, a wellness warrior, and the star of today's story. But here's the thing: ginger alone is just the beginning. What if I told you that when paired with the right herbs, it becomes unstoppable? Stick with me, because in the next few minutes, we're diving into 10 of the most powerful ginger herb pairings. A journey that will take your taste buds around the world and leave your body thanking you. And trust me, you'll want to stay until the end, because this isn't just about food. It's about unlocking a whole new level of global fusion for your wellness. Let's start with something you probably already know. Ginger is a powerhouse. It fights inflammation, boosts digestion, and even strengthens your immune system. But here's where it gets interesting. On its own, it's like a solo musician. Beautiful. Yes, but limited. Pair it with the right herbs, and suddenly you've got an orchestra. A symphony of flavors and benefits that can change how you think about food and health forever. So if you've ever wondered how to take your meals and your well-being to the next level, this is it. Let's dive in. First up, ginger and turmeric. You've heard about this golden duo before, right? Turmeric is like ginger's fiery cousin, vibrant, bold, and packed with curcumin, an anti-inflammatory compound that works wonders for joint pain and overall health. Together, they're like fire and ice, balancing each other out while amplifying their strengths. Add them to teas or golden milk for a soothing drink that feels like a warm hug for your insides. But here's the twist: this pairing isn't just about health, it's about flavor. The earthy warmth of turmeric complements ginger's zing perfectly. Now let's turn up the freshness with ginger and mint. Picture this: a hot summer day, a tall glass of iced tea infused with these two herbs. Mint cools while ginger energizes, a perfect yin-yang balance. But there's more to this pair than refreshment. Together, they're digestive dynamos, easing bloating and calming an upset stomach. Add them to smoothies or brew them into tea. You'll feel lighter and more refreshed almost instantly. But what if you're looking for something grounding? This is where ginger and rosemary comes in. Rosemary brings an earthy depth that pairs beautifully with ginger's brightness. This duo isn't just for flavor, it's brain food. Rosemary is known for enhancing memory and focus, making this pairing perfect for busy days when you need to stay sharp. Try it in roasted vegetables or even in marinades for meats. It's like giving your brain a delicious boost. Speaking of grounding flavors, let's talk about ginger and thyme. Thyme has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for respiratory issues, and when combined with ginger, it becomes a soothing elixir for colds and coughs. Imagine a steaming bowl of soup infused with these two herbs. It is comfort in every spoonful. But we're not stopping there, because next up is ginger and lemongrass, a pairing straight out of Southeast Asia. Lemongrass adds citrusy notes that brighten up ginger's spiciness, creating an aromatic blend perfect for broths or teas. Beyond flavor, this duo is a stress buster, calming your nerves while invigorating your senses. Now let's take a detour into detox territory with ginger and cilantro. Cilantro might be polarizing. You either love it or hate it, but there's no denying its detoxifying properties. Paired with ginger, it helps flush out toxins while adding a fresh burst of flavor to salsas or curries. Feeling adventurous? Try ginger and basil, a combination that might surprise you. Basil isn't just for Italian dishes. Its slightly sweet aroma pairs beautifully with ginger in stir-fries or even cocktails. Together, they're anti-inflammatory powerhouses that also help reduce stress. And then there's ginger and sage, an underrated pairing that deserves more love. Sage brings an earthy richness that complements ginger in ways you wouldn't expect. Think savory biscuits or herbal teas that feel like they belong in a cozy cabin on a rainy day. For those who crave bold flavors, there's ginger and garlic chives, a pairing that packs a punch both in taste and health benefits. Garlic chives add a subtle garlicky note without overpowering ginger's warmth. Use them in dumplings or noodle dishes for an umami-rich experience. Finally, we arrive at ginger and parsley, simple yet powerful. Parsley adds freshness while enhancing ginger's detoxifying properties. Together, they're perfect for juices or light salads that cleanse your body from the inside out. So there you have it, 10 incredible herb pairings that elevate ginger from great to extraordinary, not just in flavor, but in what they can do for your body and mind. But here's the thing, these pairings aren't just recipes, they are tools, a way to connect with global flavors while nourishing yourself deeply. Now imagine this. All these pairings coming together in one dish, a global fusion bowl that combines elements from each pairing into something truly magical. Stay tuned because I'll be sharing that recipe soon on this channel. Until then, which pairing are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss out on more ways to transform your meals into wellness journeys.